Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you've ever been here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I am the creator of the iPlanner, iDesign, iJournals, Key Life, and a whole lot more. What we're going to look at today is making more stickers using iDesign Keynote shapes, and these cool emojis can be customized to the max. And here you see one that I've already customized. He's got some cool sunglasses. And let's see, I made a solid one and I kind of dialed down the opacity on the lens of the sunglasses so that you could see his eyes behind it. And then this one is really cool because I used one of the aluminum set patterns to fill this emoji. And this one, of course, now that we're all wearing masks, I had to have an emoji with a mask. All right, so let me show you how I made these. This is how they come, and you've got pretty much every expression, mood, and feeling that you can imagine. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a sticker, an emoji sticker for your planner, or your scrapbooking, your digital scrapbooking, or your Bible journaling. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this one, since I don't have that one made up yet as a sticker. So I tap it, it's grouped, I leave it grouped, and I go ahead and tap copy. And now I'm going to tap this plus sign because I want it on its own drawing space. And I'm going to make it nice and big so I can see it to work with it. Now, since it's grouped, there's 3 layers in this emoji, and one of the layers is the hearts, the other layer is the expression, and then the background circle. So the first thing I'm going to do is double tap the background circle, and now I'm going to tap the paintbrush, and I want to replace it with a color or a pattern. So let me just scroll. I have all of my patterns and colors on my iPad so that I can just go through and find the one that I want to use. Maybe I'll fill this one with some liquid color. I'll go ahead and choose this pink. And before I click away from the circle or the background, I'm going to tap on the paintbrush again. And this time I want to choose style. And then I'm going to move the slider for a drop shadow. And I actually like this drop shadow for this sticker. Okay, and done. Now let's move on to the hearts. I'm going to double tap the hearts, tap the paintbrush again, and I'm going to go to image and replace. And I think I want some red hearts. So let's see I'm trying to think which one of these collections has red in it. Okay, movie night. Oh yeah, I like how that looks. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and tap the paintbrush again because I want to add a drop shadow. I'm going to select style, move the shadow slider over to turn on the drop shadow, and maybe this time I'll choose this one. Yeah, that gives it a little more pop over the background. Now this emoji is totally done and it's ready to turn into a sticker over and take it over to GoodNotes. However, you can add text to this. You can type something underneath that says happy day or great day or have a good day or something like that. It's completely up to you how creative you want to get with these. All right, so to take it over as a sticker, I'm going to tap on my drawing space, select all, copy, and then let's go over to GoodNotes. I think this sticker will look great on the Hadley Weekly Vertical, and I'll just tap paste. Oh yeah, that does look good on this page. All right, now I want to resize it. And I guess I'll put it on Monday. And Monday's gonna be a happy day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love the emojis. They're all completely customizable. You can even change the facial expression color. You don't necessarily have to leave it black. Okay, I hope you have a fabulous day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.